The Department of Veterans Affairs is excited to introduce the new Disability Claims tool on va.gov. This new self-service tool dramatically simplifies the process of submitting disability claims. By involving veterans in research and testing, we ensured the tool's language, structure, and functionality work best for them. Its user-friendly platform streamlines the submission process and helps veterans provide clear and complete information, which lets adjudicators spend less time deciphering claims or contacting veterans for clarification. The claim establishing process has been fully automated, streamlining the administrative steps and reducing overall claim processing time. In upcoming videos, we'll walk you step by step through this process and the new tool's key functions, such as contentions, evidence, and review and submit. Built with veterans, for veterans, the new claims processing tool represents VA's commitment to modernizing our systems and technology for the 21st century. Stay tuned for part 2 of the new 526 Disability Process Claims Tool instructional video series. You can find the VA's new Disability Claims tool at www.va.gov/disability/how-to-file-claim/.